Hey there, it's great to see you. So today I am really excited. Today I'm starting a brand new series on a topic that I am extremely passionate about. This is a new series on test-first development. Now, test-first development is one of those programming buzzwords you may have heard. And sometimes we hear these things and we listen a little and we kind of roll our eyes and think, yeah, that's nice, but I just want to write good code. But I am a true believer in test-first development. I'm here to tell you that this has the potential to transform the way you write code. It literally has changed my life. And I feel like since I adopted this, I really am able to write practically bug-free code. So why is that? Well, when you write code that's tested, not only does it do what you wanted it to do, but you can prove that it does what you wanted it to do. It's really amazing. Now, notice that I keep saying test first. There's other phrases like test driven, and sometimes what that amounts to is, hey, maybe we'll write some tests after we're done, perhaps, and we'll see how that goes if we have time. And that is not test first development. As you'll see, we really, truly are going to write the tests first. So I'm excited to get started. And the last thing I want to say by way of introduction is that this is meant as a practical, hands-on tutorial. So you need to get Visual Studio installed. You need to get ready to write some code. And I'm going to try to break it up in little chunks so that I can show you some stuff. You can write that code, make sure it works, make sure you understand it, and then we'll move on. So it's sort of a self-paced tutorial. Okay, I'm excited. Here we go. Test first development.